Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome back to our magical playroom. Look who's here today. It's Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Sully, and all their amazing Pixar pals. They're so excited to sing a fun counting song with you. Are you ready to join in? Today we're singing 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's get our shoes ready. We'll help Woody with his cowboy boots. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Perfect. Now, what's next? 3, 4, shut the door. Buzz Lightyear is making sure his spaceship is secure. Let's watch him close the door. Let's keep going. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Look, Sully and Mike are gathering colorful sticks from the ground. 7, 8, lay them straight. They're arranging them in a perfect, neat row. What a beautiful path. And finally, 9, 10, a big fat hen. A giant, goofy hen just popped out of the barn to say hello. You're doing so wonderfully. Now that we know the words, let's sing it all together one more time, nice and loud. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Hooray! That was fantastic singing. Our Disney and Pixar friends had so much fun with you today. If you had fun too, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. We can't wait to see you again soon. Bye-bye, friends.